In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix links not opening in Google Meet, whether you're trying to join an important meeting or set up a quick chat with colleagues. Dealing with link issues can be quite frustrating. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to help you smoothly open those Google Meet links without any hassle. First, head over to Google Meet. This can be done by typing Google Meet into Google Search and clicking the official link, or you can directly navigate by entering meetgoogle.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, go ahead and start an instant meeting. Look for the New Meeting option and click to choose Start an Instant Meeting. This will open a new window where your meeting begins, and you'll want to note down the link that's generated because that's what you'll need to tackle any link-related issues. Now, with the meeting link in hand, it's crucial to ensure it starts with the correct URL prefix. Make sure your Google Meet link begins with https://meet.google.com. If it doesn't, copy and paste the link manually into the browser's address bar rather than clicking directly on the link, especially if you received it through email or chat. For best results, use Google Chrome as your browser and make sure it's updated to the latest version. This ensures maximum compatibility with Google Meet. Next, signing into the correct Google account can sometimes be the key to resolving your link issue. If the meeting is restricted to a specific domain, make sure you're signed into the correct Gmail or Google Workspace account. If you're having trouble, click on your profile photo in the top right corner to switch between accounts if you have multiple logged in. If you're still having trouble, clearing your browser's cache and cookies might do the trick. In Chrome, navigate to Settings, then find Privacy and Security, and finally click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll want to select Cookies and Cached Images files before clearing them. Once done, restart Chrome and try accessing the link again. By following these steps, you should be able to solve any issues with Google Meet links not opening. Remember, technology can sometimes act up, but with a little patience and these practical steps, you can quickly get back to focusing on what truly matters in your meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you get into your Google Meet seamlessly.